Okay, ready. Are we ready, guys? Charot! I was so sad I wasn't able to attend yung kanilang launch dito sa Philippines last month. Pasensya na kayo, guys. Di ako nakapunta. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is gonna be a Pinay Unnie video. It's Korean, K-pop related, and as you can see, I'll be unboxing the MEDIHEAL collaboration, and I am so excited. As in, girl, pinaghandaan ko to kasi sabi ko, kaya ba ng puso ko na gawin yung unboxing na to kasi sobrang... If you guys have been following me on my social media accounts, you guys know how huge of a BTS fan I am. Like, super duper. Yun lang yung makikita nyo sa Twitter ko. So, kung hindi nyo cup of tea ang K-pop, please just feel free to unfollow or exit this video. Parang ngayon lang ako like super duper energized kahit galing ako sa work na gumawa ng unboxing or video. If you guys are also not fans, you can check them out. Baka maging BTS army na din kayo. But anyway, I just love them so much. Like, they inspire me so much. It's really about them being so inspirational about this field and not giving up. Kung alam nyo lang, hindi sobra silang kilala like top entertainment company sa Korea, and you guys know how it works there when it comes to K-pop, and they just really strived and worked so hard for what they have right now. It's just... Ang haba nung intro ko, pasensya na. But anyway, so I have two kinds right here. This one, I got it when my best friend went to Korea, so pinabili ko sa kanya. Thank you so much, Trees, if you're watching. She is also a huge BTS army, and talagang best friends kami for more than 10 years now, and nakakatuwa lang kasi may nakakaintindi sa akin sa pagpa-fangirl. So thank you so much for getting this for me. You can also check out her channel. Nag-upload din siya ng Korea vlogs and stuff like that, so I'll be putting the link down below. And then this one naman was sent to me by MEDIHEAL, so thank you so much. I was so sad I wasn't able to attend yung kanilang launch dito sa Philippines last month because I had work, and yun nga, sobrang layo ng Makati, so pasensya na kayo, guys. Di ako nakapunta. So ayan, let's get started. I think I'll start off, hindi ako makapili, huwag niyo ako tinitig that siya. So let's start off with this one na pinabili ko sa Korea. Ayan pa yung bag, guys. Oh, MEDIHEAL. So we have the box here. Can we like just appreciate the 7 visuals? Ayan, may mga Korean and English stuff right there. So yan, open natin. This one retails for 1,250. I know it's sort of expensive para sa iba na 1,250, but you already have 10 pieces of sheet masks and of course the photo cards. K-pop fans know how important it is to have the photo cards, and yun yung binayaran mo dito, and their face of course, but it's you show your support sa inyong idols, so you need to get it. Sobrang bogi nila, para sa mga anghel, like I cannot. I will be introducing them to you. So this is Minyoongi or Suga. This is the rapper nila yan. Nag-write din siya ng songs for BTS. And of course, we have the leader, our favorite leader, Rap Monster or RM. My bias, you guys know, Kim Seokjin. I love him so much. So they call him Jin. And of course, the Golden Maknae. Ito yung favorite din ni Days, Jiminho. Si Jungkook, ayan, si JK. He is the youngest, I think 20 ba siya or 21, but he is the main vocalist. Sobrang galing yan. And of course, we have V or Kim Taeyong. Siya yung sa Warang, yung kdrama. I love him and his deep voice, as in like, girl, super bias wrecker siya. Ayan, and of course, we have Jimin, the very popular, the angel of the group. So, yan, si Park Jimin, siya yun. Nakala ni Day si Jiminho. And then, of course, we have my favorite hobby kung napanood ninyo yung tawag dito, yung aking reaction. So, yan siya. Ng 7 members ng group. Sana nakilala niyo sila. So, let us now unbox this. We have the Aqua Ring Ampoule mask. This is the favorite mask of all the members. So, we have 5. Sobrang ganda talaga ng MEDIHEAL. One of the best Korean sheet masks ever. So, we have 5. And ang ganda lang kasi, talagang naka-ano siya, customize siya na yung packaging niya is BTS. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Nalagay dito, oh. Ayun yung mga everyone's favorite. Suga and V's pick, Jimin, Jin, and everyone. So, andyan, meron siyang nakalagay dito. Kung gusto niyo malaman yung favorite ng inyong mga biases. Ayan. And of course, we have the Tea Tree Care Solution Essential Mask. This is for oily skin combination skin type. Binabasa ko yung nasa likod. So, ganito siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya tignan. Kasi green na green siya. Sobrang relaxing siya sa mata. So, ayan siya, guys. Ang effect niya pala sa skin is soothing. Kaya siya naging favorite. Ang sabi dito, the tea tree leaf oil soothes your sensitive, irritated skin and provides care for enlarged pores with excessive sebum production. So, this is Jungkook and J-Hope's pick. Our trusted quick fix for skin emergencies before concerts and big events. So, kung a-attend ako ng kanilang concert, kailangan gamitin ko rin to. Char. So, yan. Hindi ko pala nabasa yung about sa, ito yung bestseller ng, ng MEDIHEAL din. The NMF Aqua Ring Ampoule Mask EX. Natural Moisturizing Factor yung ibig sabihin ng NMF. It provides abundant moisture to your skin, enabling greater hydration and improvement in skin's elasticity. So basically, it's for moisturizing the skin. And this is everyone's favorite. Our favorite face mask, we have a stockpile saved up at home. So we can use them anytime. So yun yung sabi nila. So those are the descriptions. So yan siya. I haven't used them yet kasi nga kailangan ko mag-unbox. Also, by the way, make sure to watch until the end of this video for a giveaway dahil mamimigay ako ng BTS na MEDIHEAL sheet masks. Ito na yung pinaka-antay natin, guys. It's the photo card. So, ayan, bubuksan na. Kakayanin ko. Ba? Bongga-bongga naka-makeup ako, girl. Kasi baka mapanood ng BTS to. Why not? Kinikilig ako. Wait. This is the other side of me that you don't get to see much on my channel. So, ayan. Yun yung itsura niya. Ayan siya, guys. So, para siyang yung mga postcards. Unang picture pa lang, girl. Like, I cannot. Perfection at its finest. Nakaputi pa talaga sila, ha? Nakikita nyo ba yan? Bakit ba ganito yung camera ko? Ayaw i-focus. Ayan nga. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Kung hindi kayo mapapabili nito, ewan ko na lang talaga. J-Hope, Jin, and V. May iba-iba silang pose. Ang taray. Gayahin natin. Paano ba? Baliw. Ano kaya umupo sa couch na ganyan ka good looking? Like, hello? Totoo ba? How can someone be so perfect? Talagang pare-pare sila ng kulay ng buhok halos. So, oh my gosh! Ayan. Ayan naman silang tatlo. My Jikook heart. Hello. What is the meaning of this, ha? Jikook, can you explain? Ano yan? Charot. Bakit kailangan niya hinahawakan yung ulo ng Jungkook, ha? Bakit? Oh my God. Oh my God. Ayan, ito na silang lahat. Ang ganda-ganda talaga nila sa puti. Ayan, parang nakadikit. Ay, ang galing. Pero pahaba lang siya. Ayan, oh, diba? This is what you get. What you pay for. Shinin! So, yan ang mga cards na kasama dun sa set na color white. And now we open the other box. So, ito yung binigay ng PR ng MEDIHEAL. So, ito naman. Kaya ako na ganito, guys. Kita niyo ba? In-importan ko yan. Oh. Pero hindi siya red. I can stare at them all day, every day. Kasama naman dito, guys, is the PDF AC Dressing Ampoule. And then yung T3 din. So, ang dami ko ng T3. 10 na sila. Basahin natin yung description nitong AC Dressing Ampoule. So, this one soothes, hydrates sensitive skin for healthier appearance. And this is Jimin and Jin's pick. It says here that this mask soothes, refreshes sensitive skin stressed out from our busy lifestyle. So, ang ganda-ganda ng kulay. Very cool siya tingnan. We also have the tea tree again. So, same lang naman siya nung sa isang box. So, yan. We also have 5 pieces as well. And of course, the moment of truth. The moment we've been waiting for. Oh, hala. Kim Namjoon, why are you like that? Ito, bias record ko din to. Actually, lahat sila bias record. Ang pogi. Ang ganda nitong set na to kasi may mga solo-solo sila. I'm speechless. Ayan si Suga. Pogi niya, alam mo yun. Pero mas gusto ko siya sa dark hair talaga. Like, I swear. Cute. Sana tumingin naman siya dito. Nakatingin siya sa gitara. Ang swerte ng gitara. The Macne. At ito, napakaswerte ng microphone. Bakit? Bakit ako hindi naging microphone? Hi, bias! Oh my God. Look at the visual. Sana naging notebook din ako. Pero ayun, grabe. Diba? Sobrang pogi niya. He is my favorite or bias kung tawag sa K-pop. Char. Ang cute. Nung jacket niya kasi black tapos army green. Oh, diba? Ang taray. Si Jimin talaga yung nasa dulo. Like, magayahin natin. Kumain tayo ng pose. So, ayan. Si Jimin. Park Jimin. So that's it guys for my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this kabaliwan as much as I did. If you guys want to check this out, I'll be putting the links down below. Pero available siya sa Watsons. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope nakasubscribe pa din kayo. Pasensya na, I am just a die-hard K-pop fan. I love anything about Korea. You guys know it for sure. So again, this is Pinay Unnie. I hope you enjoyed and sana makakuha din kayo nito. I'll be trying out the sheet mask and I'll be including it na lang siguro sa vlogs or sa ibang aking favorites na videos. So if you guys also have it, do let me know in the comment section down below who is your BTS bias, and if you haven't checked them out yet, please do and support this group because they are the best. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye guys!